Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to block shorts on YouTube page. The method we are going to use is an extension named uBlock Origin. First step is to go to the Chrome store, look for uBlock Origin, which is a powerful tool for content blocking. Step 2. Click the uBlock Origin icon and navigate to Settings after the extension is installed on your browser. Locate the Filter section within uBlock Origin settings. Find the provided Remove YouTube Shorts filter. I'm gonna give you the filter content code you're gonna use. You're gonna copy it and then paste it to the uBlock section settings. Close and reopen YouTube to ensure that shorts are no longer visible in your feed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.